We all know that Roblox is a scary place. Some people feels like home, but for some other people think it's bad. Now, because of this, it's because of hackers like Cool Kid, which is shown here. And Cool Kid is an infamous hacker. He is known for hacking servers, changing the skyboxes. So we're going to have a look at him. But there are a lot of clones. So what you need to do is search up on Google, as I'm going to do in a couple of seconds. Well, actually first, well, I already did that, but in Cool Kid, it's Team Cool Kid. As you can see, up there was Atomic. Wait, what was his name? Let me check. Well, I don't know. I forgot. But it is Cool Kid. It's Atomic Acid Mook. That is Cool Kid. As you can see, page cannot be found or no longer exists. That means he's banned. So we can't do that today. So why don't we search up another infamous hacker? Tubers93. He hacked Meep City, but as you can see, there are a lot of clones. And some of them, as I'm about to show you, like this guy, he doesn't have the face, the color. He doesn't have anything of them right. So, yeah, I feel like hackers are very bad. I don't think they should be there. So, how about we search up different ways to find hackers in Roblox. So I spelt it wrong. When this loads, oh my goodness, this doesn't show anything. It's just how, it's just a hack. Oh my goodness, doesn't have anything. I mean, it has something about 1x. How to hire a Roblox hacker for free. Ooh, what is the best way to detect a speed hacker? Maybe that's helpful? No, it's not helpful. God. Well, I guess stay tuned for part 2.